ISTD. I'm unable to share my screen. Host disabled participants screen sharing. Thank you. Where are others? So we start. Karishma, where were you? Is the screen visible?
Hello.
Yes,
Yes, it is. It is.
So we discussed about the training materials. What are the type of training materials and how the training materials need steps to create training materials. Benefits of training materials. Now we move on to the next topic, that is the training group. We learned about training methods, choosing of right training methods, training materials. Now, the audience to whom we are going to cater, we should be aware of that as well.
yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Screen is visible.
Okay. So, in this
Ma'am, it's
topic,
for
we
now.
come to know about
You are on this.
Now it is not.
Yeah.
what happened.
Now the screen is
Now
not.
it's not available.
Screen is not available.
Okay, wait a minute. I just got some rights now. Now is it fine?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see the screen?
Yes, yes, ma'am. It is appearing.
So now we start with what is a training group. So far we have studied about training methods. What are the factors considered while choosing a effective training method? We learned about training, adult learning, and then the training material. Now, the group of people to whom we are going to impart the training. Correct? That is what a training group is all about. So a training group, which is also called as a T group, is a group of people under the leadership of a trainer who seeks to develop self-awareness and sensitivity to others by verbalizing feelings at the group sessions. So I am the trainer and you all are an entire training group, isn't it? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So this is what a training group is all about. Now training process takes place obviously in a structured approach so that it can be very much beneficial. It is usually imparted to who? To a corporate setup, educational institute or community organization. Okay. Do you believe that a training group gets affected by factors? There are some factors which affects the training group. I have noted down five factors. Do you agree to this?
Totally.
Do you agree to these factors which affect the training group?
Yes, ma'am. All of those.
So these five factors affects the training group. First is learning styles, which I told you will cover it at length in this session itself. Next is past experiences. Third is the training group size. If I am the only teacher, if I am doing an offline training, I am the only teacher and I am supposed to teach some 500 odd people, will I able to manage?
Or very difficult.
So group size also matters, group dynamics and cultural and social factors. Now we will see how each and every factor affects the training group. Learning style. Learning style, as we all got a brief in the last class, it includes what? Visual, auditory, kinesthetic and read-write. So depending on the audience, some may be in favor of visual training, some may be in the favor of audio training, some may be in the favor of read and write, or some may be in kinesthetic favor. So the style of the participants affects the training group. Is it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it becomes challenging considering every participant's demand.
Yes, ma'am.
So learning styles plays an important role, affects the entire training group because the training group will have multiple variety of audience. ठीक है? Next is past experiences. Past experiences of whom?
Of the audience, ma'am.
Of the
Of the
participants.
audience
Of the
as well as
participants.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Maybe some training they have attained and they didn't have a good experience to that. So that past experience will affect the current training which they are taking some or the other
Yes.
way.
Yes, ma'am.
So that impact will continue. Okay. So the past experience of learning situation, maybe it is not only the training, maybe in their work experiences or personal learning history also affects the training group. Because past experience can be on a professional front as well as personal front. Okay. Next is the group size. Again, the group size affects the dynamics and effectiveness of the training process. The group size, are you aware that there is a, what can you say, the ratio between a teacher and there is a student teacher ratio which government has told to implement in schools. Why is it that? That in a class of 30 students, a single teacher can teach only a class of 30 students. That is what government tells. Because that teacher will be able to focus, concentrate on the students. So that is also a type of a training group, a school section, wherein there is one teacher to 30 students, 1:30 ratio.
Yes.
Will help in personalized attention of the teacher. Apply the same concept to our training group. If you have a big group size, personal attention, interaction, deeper discussion won't happen.
Yes.
So it makes the training process challenging. So training should be always in a smaller group compared to larger group. Training group size affects the training group. So you agree to this? Next is group dynamics. What is group dynamics?
Ma'am, basically, the demography of the group consisting of the people like age can be a factor, gender can be a factor.
Race can be the other one.
Training all this,
yeah.
you will take care.
Mm.
People of different roles.
In which
Come
level?
to in an organization, if training is given, don't you think group dynamics happens when people of different roles,
Mm.
Correct. So
relationship and communication pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
the
Yes, ma'am.
major impact comes like when you are actually dealing with the seasoned and a veteran group vis-a-vis a freshers group.
Newbies, yes.
Correct. They will try to overpower the entire group, the seasoned ones.
Correct.
That will create what? Negative dynamics, conflict, disengagement. So the effectiveness of training will not be up to the mark. So you agree again, the group dynamics also affects the training group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? And lastly, cultural and social factors. Background of the participants,
Language barrier.
understanding level, cultural and social factor from where they are coming. They come from diverse background, isn't it?
Correct. Maybe if your participants are from like urban as well as from the rural area.
Consider an organization. If we think of implementing a training program for a person working in one plant in some outskirts of a state and one person working in a plant which is in an urban location. Understood? Same plant setup. One is a rural plant. My company has two different plants at two different locations, one at a rural location, one at an urban location. If I call the same plant employees to come and attend the training, don't you find that they are coming from a different background?
Yes.
They will.
So even that also affects the training group. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next topic is, what are the effective strategies which a trainer should take care? Very simple things. This is what we learned since last 2-3 classes. One as a trainer, you and me as a trainer, first has to do the assessment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Assessment
ma'am.
of the participants, the audience to whom we are imparting the training. Second is flexibility in terms of teaching methods. Correct? Next is inclusivity.
True.
Every participant, nobody should be felt left out. Agreed? As a trainer, see, these are the 4 things, whatever you call them, strategies or the key points to be considered as a trainer. tomorrow, going back to your organization, you are going to conduct a training program. You are the trainer for the program. These four are the pillars for you to take care of. Then only your building will be strong. If you take care of assessment, if you take care of flexibility, inclusivity, and wherein you involve all the participants and they should feel valued, engagement. Clear? Simple?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So these were the two topics left from the last session. Now we start the session 4, for which the agenda is training learning styles. Then we understand it with a case study. We go through the determinants and constituents of training styles and identify the right training styles. ठीक है? Now we start with types of learning styles. चार टाइप के लर्नर्स होते हैं. This we discussed. First are visual learners. They retain information shown through images, graphics, and video. Agreed?
Ma'am,
Yes.
PPT display नहीं हो रहा ma'am. Thank you पे अटका हुआ
If
शायद.
you are presenting, ma'am, then I think your previous PPT is presented. So we are able to see thank you slide.
Okay, wait. Now is it okay?
Yes.
जी.
Clear है.
Types of learning styles में. We went through this. There are 4 types of learners. Basically 4 types of learner. First are visual learners. Retain information through images, graphics, and videos. Have you seen the kids' storybooks? What is it? Visual representation of a story. Little Red Riding Hood. उसमें जब तक वो रेड राइडिंग हुड रेड कलर का ड्रेस पहन के उनके ग्रैंडमदर के घर नहीं जाएगी जहां पे वुल्फ ग्रैंडमदर बन के बैठा है, वो स्टोरी पढ़ने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. छोटे बच्चों को स्टोरी बुक जो विजुअल इमेजेस के साथ होती है उससे पूरी स्टोरी समझ आती है. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
They retain information through images, graphics, video. Similarly, that is not only for kids, it is for grown-ups as well. There are certain set of people who are visual learners. They prefer something to look, to learn new information. That is why for such kind of audience, you should use maps, charts, infographics. ठीक है? Next comes auditory learners. They process information based through listening to a speaker. होता है ना कभी कभी पॉडकास्ट चालू रख के सो जाओ, सुन रहे हैं, हम सुन रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं. आईज क्लोज एंड यू आर लिसनिंग टू द पॉडकास्ट. होता है ना? इट इज दैट इज हाउ यू लर्न, लेक्चर स्टाइल टीचिंग. एंड दिस इज फॉर पीपल who prefer this verbal dialogue. Clear? Auditory learners.
Yes, ma'am.
Third is reading writing learners. These kind of learners retain information best through writing and reading. Textbooks, case study, manuals, जो भी मिलता है, written information पढ़ते हैं और learn करते हैं. They are able to absorb the content better when they read or write. Clear? And lastly,
Yes.
kinesthetic learners. They are referred to as hands-on learner. जब तक वो practice नहीं करते हैं, they are not able to learn. They learn only by practicing what they are doing. For corporate, it is simulation, walkthroughs. कोई भी software का training हो, physically when you sit on the software only, then you learn. Clear? Understood 4 types of learners and learning styles?
Yes.
Now, coming to the point, in an organization, you will find all 4 type of learners. At a particular topic, I become a visual learner. To other topic, I become an auditory learner. It happens or not, any individual will prefer one of the learning style more. But I may have the other qualities as well. Agreed?
Yes.
Okay. So in an organization, you will find all four kind of learners. And how will you able to know whether one employee is this kind of a learner or not? As an HR manager, how will you identify?
With observation or doing certain survey.
Good.
There are assessments through which you can understand a learning style.
True. Keep it simple, no basic. अगर training implement करना है, ask the participant itself. What kind of module will you prefer? What kind of style will you prefer? Survey is the best solution. I feel that, okay, you are going to train me on some XY communication skill. I will want to have kinesthetic learning. Make me do a role play simulation. So I will, depending on the type of the training and to know what the audience want, survey is the best option available. Okay.
Yes, but ma'am, that is possible when the participants are aware of the types of learning. When they are not aware, then we have to implement certain other ways to understand their learning method ways.
Would give these four options to them, whether you want a visual learning mechanism, auditory learning, read write, or kinesthetic. At least then they will select a tab in their questionnaire. Okay, ठीक है, I want to any of the above or either of the two, something like that. Survey also you can ask them, no?
Yes.
ठीक है. So based on this type of learning, this is the actual learning style which is implemented in the organization. VARK. Simple. V is visual, A is auditory, R is read write, K is yes, Dipti.
A blend of all four styles would be the right approach because even when we ask them, I mean, I just did a FGD, focus group discussion, and they said, online and classroom, all those things. But when we design the content, when we actually start making the content, so the approach should be a mix, a blend of all four coming together. What do you suggest?
Ideally, it is like all four, blended approach. That is what we studied in the previous classes. Blended approach is the best approach. You give everybody a bit of everything. But at times what happens, no? Visual mode, you cannot divide this into, okay, 25% this, 25, exactly this. The proportion may change. For some training, you need to show more of, if finance training is happening, they have to show these visual charts and graph. They cannot show the performance by what? I am telling the sales is so and so, the profit is so and so, my employee cost is so and so. If I keep on telling them, will they able to register? My company's sales over last year is this, previous 5 years it was this. Will you be able to register? When it comes to number, you need some graphs, some comparative analysis, some visuals.
Right.
Right. So for a finance team, more focus will be on visual things, charts, graphs. Only then they can understand. See, a person from a finance department is a person who can read from whatever charts, graph, numbers they get. ठीक है? होता है ना? So for them, that is important. For some kind of audience, auditory listening is very much important. Verbal instruction देना, discussion, recordings, this will help them to learn.
Okay, got it.
Kinesthetic अकेला हो तो marketing वाला है, उसको role play करके बताओ कि conflict negotiation situation कैसे deal करना है. Mostly, if you get trainings on conflict and negotiation, it is all about role plays, scenario training, pura hands-on experience, how exactly to go ahead with it. True.
True, but in here I was just trying to understand if it's on a negotiation or conflict training, for example. So in this negotiation and conflict, I'll give a gist of this training through the concepts and all. let's say conflict, I'll talk about Thomas Kilmann model. I'll
Ah.
explain what it is, okay? Then I might go for, that would be like more of reading, writing, you know, auditory and all. And I might
Hmm.
show a video of how the conflict was handled in XYZ scenario. And then comes in kinesthetic where the case study or small caselets
play.
or role could be coming in. So I take a mixed approach of all
Blended
four, but
approach.
not dividing as 25%, but understanding the role. For example, now again, also depends upon the target audience. For if I'm talking about someone who's a new joinee, so my emphasis on read and write and auditory would be more, and role plays would be less. Someone who's coming with 15 years of experience, that would be a little different. So I mean,
Assess your participant. That is what we learned. The type of training method we select based on assessing your employees or participants, depending on, see, for the same thing what you told me, if he is a new employee, new joinee, I don't have to tell him directly, make him do a role play, because he will not understand. Suppose that new employee is a new GT employee, first year, for zero experience, just pass out from school, college, he is used to read and write, so you will more focus on read and write for him,
okay.
because he is used to that. You cannot break that and make him directly, okay, chalo,
Exactly.
step 2.
So assessment of the participants and then finding the right blend is the correct approach.
Identifying their needs, what kind of participant, from where they are coming, and then impart the training accordingly. See, it is
Okay.
not, giving a training is not fulfilling your KRA. It is select the right kind of audience. If you have to split the same
should.
training to do different employees, fair enough, do that. Exactly what you told. I will have a different approach to a audience who are new to this organization, new to this field, and compared to that, a one who is a seasoned 15-year-old experienced employee. So I will create two different set of training groups. The training imparted to a new joinee group will be different compared to the experienced group. Even though I implement all four approach styles in a blended way, some of the style will carry a higher weightage.
Got
Understood?
that. Yes.
Depending on the audience. Okay. So this is this slide is a gist of VARK training style. Clear?
Yes,
These
ma'am.
styles are based on the type of learners. ठीक है?
ठीक है मैम.
Now, अब सब कुछ अच्छा तो हो नहीं सकता. लोगों को उसमें भी क्रिटिसिज्म लगेगा कि यार ये कैसा स्टाइल है, तुमने तो ऑडियंस भी खुद से सिलेक्ट किए, उसको कितना सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया कि इस ऑडियंस को, ये तो अभी नया आया है ना, इसको ना ऐसे ही करवाते हैं, होता है ना. तो क्रिटिसिज्म का पहला क्रिटिसिज्म था ओवर सिंप्लीफिकेशन. यू मेड द लर्निंग वेरी ओवर सिंप्लीफाइड वे. It, for some, it is the actual requirement. We want that employee to get into the system ASAP. So we are making things simple for them. But what happened when this model came? People started criticizing, saying that first, this is a very oversimplified way of teaching. Second, it has limited focus on content and context. Why? Because we are straight away talking about only that context and content. Again, for a new joinee, जरूरी है ना लिमिटेड फोकस, इतना ही पढ़ाओ. Third, inadequate attention to individual differences. What differences? Each individual is different, their style is different, their personality is different, cultural background different. वो सब ध्यान में नहीं रखते. वार्क टीचिंग स्टाइल में सीधा सिंपल करके इतना कंटेंट है, इतना कॉन्सेप्ट है, समझा दिया, आगे बढ़ा. And lastly, fixed mindset and stereotyping. What is fixed mindset and stereotyping? Do you think VARK teaching style has a fixed mindset and stereotyping?
No.
That is your perception. Certain critics have shouted and told that, yeah, It is like a fixed mindset. Whatever you want them to learn only this and in this way itself. You
I have
are
the same
making their mind not widen. Training is for what? Expanding the skills. Upscaling के साथ bandwidth बढ़ाना ना सोच का.
Yes.
अगर लिमिटेड कंटेंट होगा, सिंप्लीफाइड वे में होगा, तो तुमने क्या किया? जो ट्रेनर है, ट्रेनी है, उसको इतना ही सिखाया, है ना?
But ma'am, work covers all types of learning, right?
Yes.
Then how it is limited?
Then how it is fixed?
Fixed.
You, for a certain, we'll take the same example what Deepti told. If we are having a new joinee employees, ठीक है? Will you try to tell them all big things of the organization or all big things which is required to tell a 15-year-old experienced person?
No.
Why? वार्क स्टाइल यूज कर रहे हो ना वहां पे भी. और वो 2 ट्रेनिंग मॉडल है हमारे पास, 2 ट्रेनिंग ग्रुप है, एक न्यू ज्वाइनी वाला और एक एक्सपीरियंस वाला. दोनों में वार्क यूज कर रहे हो, फिर क्यों बोल रहे हो कि नहीं? यस दीप्ति.
So you know, I think this critics is coming from the facilitative approach that we're talking about. Because I have delivered a session without any PPT, without any video, and deep diving into the participant's mind and getting outcome of the thing. So, for example, if we talk about any soft skill, you don't have to teach them; they know. It's just that they've forgotten to practice it day-to-day life, and we want to just make them realize you know it. Just start doing it. So that's where this criticism is coming, that you are keeping it to a fixed mindset and stereotyping. You're not letting them explore more or come out with the different innovative options that could explore the idea. That's my take.
Jyoti, understood? Or confused?
Yes.
It was a different thing. It was an answer to Joe.
One more example, ma'am. I didn't.
Anybody else can tell? Do you think work is a fixed mindset or type of a learning? कोई और कहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया है? इतना ही सिखा रहे हैं, इतना ही है, किसी को कुछ बोलने नहीं दिया. मैं आई, मैंने बताया कंपनी ये है, ये है, ये है, ये तुमको करना है, बस खत्म.
Are we talking about the content or the learning style? Like, I am a bit confused here right now.
What, Sudarshan?
Are we talking about the duration or the resources of content or the learning style?
Can you type your question in the chat? I'm not clearly able to. You're not clearly audible to me.
He's asking, is it about the content or the learning style?
It is about the learning style.
So what does it have this like comparison or matter with the new employee or the old employee?
I'm not able. He is not audible to me.
ये text कर लो, ये मुझे भी समझ में नहीं है.
Text
Okay, so the thing is कि उसमें फिर नए employee का पुराने employee का क्या scenario है? When we are not talking about the content, we are talking about only the style.
text कर लोगे आप please?
He is asking like when it is about style. So new learner या experienced learner के बीच में यहाँ पे अंतर कैसे आता है? जैसे कि यहाँ पे
हाँ, ठीक है. अभी आपने दीप्ति का एग्जाम्पल सुना था ना. 15 years एक्सपीरियंस्ड वाला ऑडियंस एक ग्रुप है और न्यू जॉइनी एक ग्रुप है. न्यू जॉइनी को वार्क का काइनेथेटिक्स अप्रोच जो है रोल प्ले सिमुलेशन, वो सीधा करवाने बैठेंगे तो विल दे एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? क्योंकि they are not into that field, they are not aware of the company, they are not aware of the profile, they are not aware of the work. And one who is into this for last 15 years, उन्होंने 1000 sort of problems देखे होंगे, उसका solution देखा होगा, peer group से उसका दूसरा सॉल्यूशन भी समझा होगा, तो रोल प्ले में उनको और सॉल्यूशन मिलेंगे कि ऐसा भी प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है, इसका ये सॉल्यूशन होगा. जबकि एक न्यू ज्वाइनी होगा, वो तो सिर्फ देखेगा ही कि इसमें क्या हो सकता है। वो स्कूल कॉलेज से निकला है पढ़ के और सीधा बैठा है और अब क्या करूं, समझ आया। तो वहां उसको काइनेस्थेटिक अप्रोच चलेगा ही नहीं, उसके लिए रीड राइट मॉडल ही यूज होगा ज्यादातर। उसके उसके पूरे ट्रेनिंग में VAR तक ही होगा, के आएगा ही नहीं। समझ आया। विजुअल इसीलिए क्योंकि उसे दिखाया जाएगा कि अच्छा ऐसे ऐसे कुछ होता है, वीडियोस दिखाया जाएगा, ऑडियोज से कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया जाएगा, रीड राइट से मैनुअल दिया जाएगा, वो पढ़ो। बट उसको उसके लिए रोल प्ले नहीं होगा। समझ आया
Yes, ma'am.
सुदर्शन, क्लियर?
Still not convinced?
Still not convinced?
No.
Anybody
Ma'am,
else can give any other example for making him convince?
ma'am, I'm not trying to convince, but this is just my perspective on it.
Yes,
Ankita
please.
here. So I think it's more of stereotyping, and I don't agree too much with the fixed mindset criticism. It does stereotype. So just for example, if the entire group has more visual learners, the learning will be designed with more visual aids. However, we have stereotyped learners. There could be a possibility that they may use combinations, visual plus kinesthetic, visual plus auditory. So the VARC model does put individuals into compartments. You are a visual learner, so we will provide you with more visual aids. You are an auditory learner, we'll prefer more lecture style. So that becomes a stereotyping. But I think because we are in our examples, even the example that Deepti gave, that we are considering the participant profile, we are considering learning needs. So I do not very much agree with the fixed mindset. That would have been true अगर हम वो सारी चीजें नहीं कर रहे होते. If we were not considering the participant profile, the learning needs, and all those things, then it would have been a fixed mindset that this is how the group is all visual, and this is what we will go with. So that's my take on it.
Very
Thank
good,
you.
Ankita. Understood? Others?
Yes, ma'am, very clearly.
Sudarshan?
Got it, got it, got it. Thank you.
Okay. So now we move on from this to understanding how VARK is implemented in corporate training. Okay, this is just an example, sort of a case study. I have given some brief points. I'll also show you the methodology and what are the results after this. Okay, we'll do it in a different way. पहले हम देखते हैं what exactly this example is all about. It is about a technology software company, TechCorp. It wants to improve, their objective is to improve their training effectiveness and employee engagement by incorporating VARK style, learning style. ठीक है? Background of the company एक बार पढ़ लो.
I'm not able to see the screen.
Not able to see the screen?
It is
Yes.
visible.
Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me rejoin now.
Uday, you're not able to see the screen?
Yes, yes.
हाँ.
I think I need to rejoin it also. I'm rejoining.
Yeah, please. क्लियर है? इनको क्या करना है? वार्क इंप्लीमेंट करना है. ठीक है? Everybody clear with the case background?
Yes.
Jyoti, Jugal, Deepti, Ravi?
Yes.
All
Yes.
clear?
Yeah.
See,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
straight away show you the methodology. What exactly this company needs to do. Why I am showing you this methodology? Once you go through this, you will have a पूरा plan charted in your mind कि हाँ ऐसे हो रहा है. और इसका रिजल्ट क्या है. उसके बाद हम और एक केस एनालिसिस करेंगे. ठीक है? So इस केस में what is the methodology which they are adapting? First क्या किया हमने? Assessment किया. यही बात हो रही थी ना कि पहले तो कौन से टाइप का assessment they did with a survey. Which is the style which they prefer across the 4 style? Jyoti, you got it? They rolled out this survey in the organization to ask the preference and then did a follow-up interviews. Can you see this assessment phase? देखा सबने? क्लास
Yes, ma'am.
देख लिया असेसमेंट फेज, समझ आया? सर्वे के बाद इंटरव्यू किया,
Yes, yes.
उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डिजाइन फेज में, डिजाइन फेज में पहले ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल डेवलप किया. ऑब्वियसली ब्लेंडेड अप्रोच,
Correct.
विजुअल ऑडिटरी, किसमें क्या इंक्लूड होगा सब कुछ डाल के. नेक्स्ट थर्ड स्टेज पे क्या किया? इम्प्लीमेंटेशन फेज, पायलट प्रोग्राम रन किया. इसमें क्या किया? चारों चार स्टाइल के एम्प्लॉयज को एक ग्रुप बनाया. जिन लोगों ने सिलेक्ट किया कि वी मॉड्यूल चाहिए मुझे, उनको वो ग्रुप में डाला. ठीक है, उसका फीडबैक लिया. एंड लास्टली इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के बाद इवैल्यूएशन किया कि तुमने खुद से बोला था मुझे ये वाला टाइप ऑफ लर्निंग चाहिए. उसके बाद क्या रिजल्ट आया उसका? इवैल्यूएशन में परफॉर्मेंस मैट्रिक्स में क्या आया? एम्प्लॉयज का रिटेंशन रेट, पोस्ट ट्रेनिंग एप्लीकेशन स्किल इंप्रूव हुआ कि नहीं, फीडबैक्स लिया. समझ आया?
Yes.
Yes.
मोटा मोटी एक आइडिया आया कैसे ये वर्क इंप्लीमेंट किया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. इट स्टार्टेड विद द सर्वे, देन फॉलो एन इंटरव्यू किया. डिजाइन फेज पे लोगों ने जो रेटिंग दिया उसके हिसाब से चारों चार स्टाइल्स इंप्लीमेंट किया. अगेन पहले क्या किया पता है? हर एक इंडिविजुअल स्टाइल के हिसाब से ट्रेनिंग दिया. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes,
और
ma'am.
फिर उसका इवैल्यूएशन किया, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करके इवैल्यूएशन किया. इसके बाद उन्हें क्या रिजल्ट मिला? उन्हें पता चला कि जिन्होंने जो स्टाइल मांगा था वो स्टाइल देने पे इंक्रीज्ड एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट हुआ, इंप्रूव्ड रेटिंग हुआ और हायर सेटिस्फैक्शन हुआ. समझ आया?
जी मैम.
Yes.
Yes.
अब ये एक केस स्टडी है, सेम इम्प्लीमेंटिंग वर्क ट्रेनिंग स्टाइल्स इन बैंकिंग सिस्टम. ये अभी तुम लोगों के लिए बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट एग्जांपल वी स्टडीड, कैसे इंप्लीमेंट हुआ. गो थ्रू दिस केस, टेक couple of minutes, let me know once you are done.
Okay.
जी मैम.
ठीक है, everybody done? Now come up with your ideas on incorporating work learning style in Secure Bank Limited. You understood the purpose, no? They have to enhance the skill of bank employees in using the new customer relation management system. CRM system नया आया है, 150 एम्प्लॉयज है, सारे 150 एम्प्लॉयज. They are into different profiles. Some are customer service representative, relationship manager or branch managers. Variety of profile हुआ, 3 different type के. And now tell me, how are you going to implement work in this bank system? Take your time, think, how will you start? Jyoti, a hint for you. Start with the survey.
Same, we can display the
Take your time, let others also think the whole plan and then we discuss.
मैम लेआउट सेम सिमिलर रहेगा लास्ट वाले की तरह?
आपकी मर्जी, वो तो मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया था आपको कि
अच्छा।
किस तरह से करने से पूरा सब कुछ कैप्चर हो जाता है.
राइट राइट.
सी, हम लोग यहाँ पे है, हम 10-15 जितने भी लोग हैं आज, वो सब लोग अलग अलग कंपनी में हैं, अलग अलग सॉर्ट ऑफ प्लान इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे. ऐसा तो होगा ही नहीं. चलो ठीक है, एक बार के लिए दोस्त को पूछ लेंगे दूसरी कंपनी का, यार मेरे को ये काम है, मैंने ये बना के दिया, जरा देखना तुझे कुछ लग रहा है एडिशन या डिलीशन. होता है ना ऐसा?
हाँ जी मैम बिल्कुल.
ठीक है, तो पर प्लान तो 10-12 लोगों का अलग ही होगा. हमें तो बेस्ट ऑफ द लॉट उठाना है कि हाँ इसका भी ऐड करके उसका भी ऐड करके. मेरे पास भी है सॉल्यूशन, क्योंकि वो मेरा थिंकिंग है कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे करूंगी. मुझे अभी तुम्हारा थिंकिंग चाहिए कि तुम लोग कैसे कैसे करोगे.
यस मैम डेफिनेटली.
ठीक है,
So we'll-
तो टेक
जी
योर
मैम.
टाइम, टेक 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and then we come up with how will you incorporate work learning style in this bank. I'm again emphasizing on the bank wherein we are going to give 150 participants a training program, include, and the profile of them varies as customer service representative, relationship managers and branch managers. ये क्यों बोल रही हूं मैं? 3 अलग प्रोफाइल है, तीनों को अलग तरीके से देना पड़ेगा. यस और नो?
जी मैम.
Hints दे रही हूं, think over it and then come up with a plan. थोड़ा हम सोच लेंगे तो दूसरे लोग पॉइंट्स ऐड कर लेंगे. रवि,
नहीं मैम मेरे ख्याल से जो एंड दीप्ति मैम शुड लीड दिस.
दीप्ति मैडम को हम बोलेंगे लास्ट में, हम सबके प्लान के बाद आप फाइनल बताओ कि आपको सही लग रहा है कि नहीं.
मैं चुप हूँ.
हमने ये
सही
सोचा है, जरा चेक करके बताओ ऐड करना है या कुछ. वो तो ऐड ही करके देंगे, बट हम हमारा प्लान तो बनाए.
राइट मैम राइट.
Done? Or you need couple of minutes more?
Done, ma'am, but I have a doubt.
Bolo.
As here it is mentioned that service representative, then relationship managers and branch managers. So their level of requirement would be different. Like branch managers, they would be needing the strategy part of the work aspect, while the customer service representative, they might be needing the daily usage of the CRM. So this is one requirement, and again we have to divide them according to the work. So अभी हम लोगों को हर सेगमेंट में चार चार ग्रुप करने हैं, ऐसे करके हम लोग उनको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, या फिर हाउ वी कैन कैटेगराइज देम इन द सर्वे?
सर्वे के लिए बोल रहे हो फर्स्ट स्टेज पे ही?
हाँ, फर्स्ट स्टेज पे सर्वे
फर्स्ट स्टेज पे तो कीप इट सिंपल, नो? आस्क देम व्हिच ऑफ द लर्निंग स्टाइल यू वांट टू.
that we will do. Then we will understand that someone is visual, some are kinesthetic, and some are
परसेंटेज डिवाइड हो गए, 100% ऑडियंस, 150 लोग चारों में डिवाइड हो गए, ठीक है?
होने के बाद then depending on their level of work, again we need to divide, no?
लेवल
Like
ऑफ वर्क विल यू डिवाइड अगेन?
For example, someone is into visual, and he is into this customer representative that segment, and the same another one is visual, but he is into branch manager. So again, here their needs would be different, though they
दीप्ति, आर यू देयर?
Yes, I'm here.
दीप्ति, ज्योति का तो अप्रोच नोट ही रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा, है कि नहीं? मतलब
नहीं,
ये
उसमें-
ट्रेनिंग के अंदर भी ट्रेनिंग डाल रही है, ट्रेनिंग के अंदर भी दो दो चार चार ग्रुप बना रही है कि नहीं, तुमने ये सर्वे में बोला ना, अब तुम लोग यहाँ जाओ, और उसमें भी तुम CSR हो या ब्रांच मैनेजर हो, तुम और अलग जाओ.
that is my doubt, ma'am, how to categorize them.
डाउट
So,
यस यस
मैं
कंटिन्यू.
ये लास्ट में, मैं तो अंत में बोलूंगी, तो अभी मैं चुप हूँ.
उसका डाउट तो सॉल्व कर दो तो वो आगे बढ़ेगी ना,
तो
वरना
जो डाउट जरूरी नहीं है कि हमें पहले उनसे ये पूछना है कि वो लोग. सो मैम ने जो एक एग्जांपल दिया था उसमें उन्होंने पूछा था कि आपको क्या लर्निंग स्टाइल चाहिए, बिकॉज वो एग्जांपल स्किल ट्रेनिंग पे था, ये एग्जांपल सिस्टम ट्रेनिंग पे है. तो यहाँ पे जो आपने सबसे अच्छा वैलिड क्वेश्चन पूछा ना, वो ये था कि ये लोगों की हायरार्की क्या है फॉरमोस्ट, और इनके SOPs क्या है, इनका वर्क प्रोफाइल क्या है. वो समझने के बाद फिर आप इंटीग्रेट करोगे कि कैसे मुझे इनको सिस्टम ट्रेनिंग देनी है. वो फिर नेक्स्ट लेवल आएगा, आपका ग्रुप उस बेसिस पे डिवाइड होगा.
ज्योति, बॉटम लाइन ये है कि तीनों में जो चीज कॉमन रहेगी ना, क्योंकि इस केस में इतना बोला है तुम्हारे 150 पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, ये एरियाज के हैं, तो अब ढूंढो कि वो तीनों में क्या कॉमन रहेगा और उनको उसके हिसाब से कैसे ये न्यू CRM का. समझ आया? यस जुगल.
So, Joe, I think in these kind of a scenarios, like whenever you are implementing a new CRM, what do you need to generally do? So basically, you have to start from the CRM introduction. Correct? आप जो point बोल रहे हो ना, वो point सही है, because like when it comes to an end user, which is a customer service representative, vis-a-vis your, let's say, branch manager or maybe a higher hierarchy, वहां पर there will be some additional empowerments or maybe some additional rights, because CRM will not only be having the information of the customers, but it will have the some sensitive information available also. Apart from that, if there are certain approvals required, because we are talking about the financial transactions and banking. So वहां पर आपको पहले जो आपका सेशन जो शुरू होगा, because I think after surveying or maybe after conducting the assessment, when you will be able to identify the learning style of those particular people, आपके पास में एक निकल कर आ जाएगा what is the ratio and what is the percentage of population is inclined towards which kind of a learning style. सो हैविंग अ, जैसे अभी हमने लास्ट टाइम भी बात करा दैट यू रियली नीड टू हैव अ ब्लेंडेड अप्रोच, बट कितना पोर्शन आपको कहाँ पर लेकर आना है, दैट इज समथिंग लाइक while creating your content or maybe while creating your or designing your training interventions, you can have that. And common वाला जो भी particular portion रहेगा, you can cover in one go. And then later on for your let's say not the CSR but your FLMs, MLMs or maybe SLMs kind of a category, what you can do, you can have a specialized session or maybe some other interventions.
Advanced ones. Okay.
Exactly. तो वैसे हम एक अप्रोच कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे.
Okay. Thank you.
Good, Jugal. Now next, you want to see he has created a base for everybody. ठीक है, पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म ही बना के दे दिया है. सही बोला कि he actually used the example, he did the survey, ज्योति, based on the survey he gave you आगे कैसे बढ़ना है नाउ. और उसने ये भी बोला कि सर्वे करने के बाद भी जितना परसेंटेज हो, ब्लेंडेड अप्रोच करके भी वो परसेंटेज के हिसाब से ब्लेंडेड अप्रोच यूज करो. करेक्ट. नाउ यू कैन टेक इट फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम हियर. एनीबडी? Anybody in the class? Nobody?
हाँ, तो first part is over, survey वाला thing, and then we can go for the design phase.
करेक्ट. डिजाइन में तो सारे स्टाइल्स के लिए बनाओगे ना मटेरियल और एक्टिविटीज.
I think Ravi can add on. He's smiling.
नहीं मैम, I was just listening to these these views. It's quite informative. ये जो views है, अलग अलग expert views है, and I'm learning a lot.
That is why I insisted on एक एग्जाम्पल इसीलिए दिया, तुम्हें एक स्ट्रक्चर पता चले. उसके बाद नाउ इन दिस you find your own solutions. Each and every individual, each and every HR professional will have a different thought of thinking कि मैं क्या यूज करूं, कैसे यूज करूं.
मैम, मैं basically I'm not into HR stream.
Okay.
But on a delivery end of the L&D. So that is my portfolio. So जो भी मेरे को अभी तक समझ में आया है इसमें से, जैसा कि आपने बताया था कि अभी like we are trying to implement a particular software. So kinesthetic will be the most pronounced approach. वो सभी के लिए होगा. It will but the thing is that I think customer service representative के लिए kinesthetics and role plays are the must, and the amount would be more, including a bit of visuals. Relationship managers again similar to CRs, but थोड़ा सा उसमें writing वाला content will also be there, like self reading or branch managers के लिए I would say थोड़ा सा writing content and videos and a bit of that kinesthetic hands-on approach for the training, because क्योंकि obviously everybody is going to use the CR from their own portfolio. Everybody is going to know their roles and क्या क्या करना है उनको. तो for that purpose kinesthetic तो सभी के लिए common है. Video and kinesthetics mostly आपके CR representative and relationship managers के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहेगा. Branch managers में थोड़ा सा written और relationship managers में थोड़ा written document थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ जाएंगे. So that would be my work for them.
पर रवि, ज्योति ने तो सर्वे से शुरू करा. सर्वे में तो सीधा स्ट्रेट अवे बोला उन्होंने कि हमें 4 स्टाइल्स चाहिए. वो सर्वे हमने ब्रांड ये प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से थोड़ी ना किया है, हमने सीधा सीधा 150 एम्प्लॉयज का किया. मतलब उसमें से कस्टमर सर्विस वाला भी हो सकता है जो विजुअल बोले, RM भी हो सकता है, ब्रांच मैनेजर भी. हमने प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से सर्वे नहीं किया, हमने स्टाइल पूछने के लिए सर्वे किया है ये 150 एम्प्लॉयज का. लाइक वॉट जुगल ने स्टार्ट किया सर्वे, कॉमन किया पूरे 150 एम्प्लॉयज का. उसमें से हमें स्टाइल पता चला. फॉर अस एट द स्टेज 1 ऑल 150 एम्प्लॉयज स्टैंड एट द सेम लेवल. देन दे वेर सेग्रीगेटेड कि ओके सो एंड सो स्टाइल को इतना परसेंटेज मिला है.
हाँ, तो फिर मैम अगर उस कंडीशन में देखें then I'll go for kinesthetics mostly.
You
when
cannot
you
go, no, if I am an employee, I am telling I am more comfortable with visual. Give me
Okay.
visual training. Then you will say, no, 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 I am the trainer. I will only give you kinesthetic.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, Deepti. चलो summary कर दो फिर पूरा ही.
Please, please.
So what I feel, no, ma'am, initially, yes, survey on the approach is one good thing. But if I am there, I will also do a survey, or I might ask the business, understanding what is the past service efficiency score that they had before this system, and what were the pain areas of the customer interaction that they were facing, because that will also help me in redesigning. Because your last line says they've decided to revamp its training approach. So somewhere the module and other things are also, we can think about revamping and coming up with a new one. Another thing, I would like to know the hierarchy of the staff. So these are my basic questions jo honge.
Mhm.
Now, designing may, I will do the blended approach of all four. So I will we start with read and write R. That is handbook and manual thing should be also provided to them for the later use.
With the
Auditory
snippets
may,
of steps, with the snippets of the steps, कैसे कैसे करना
yes,
है.
yes,
हाँ
yes,
के
detailed
CRM
manual.
मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम कुछ नया इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं तो उसके हम नहीं एक शॉप से हम कोई भी चीज लेके आते हैं तो मैनुअल नहीं आता उसके
जी
साथ.
जी जी
क्यों
जी
आता है वो मैनुअल? पहले पता होना चाहिए ना चीज क्या है. तो सेम टू स्टार्ट विथ एक रीड एंड राइट का एक बुकलेट. हमें ऑल 4 स्टाइल्स का मटेरियल बनाना पड़ेगा. आई
Yes.
अग्री काइनेस्थेटिक होना चाहिए, ब्लेंडेड अप्रोच होना चाहिए, काइनेस्थेटिक अकेला नहीं. वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर मटेरियल फॉर ऑल 4 स्टाइल्स.
So
मैम वो तो
handbook and
सही है.
manual will be
मैंने
for
अगर
R.
बोला मुझे विजुअल ही चाहिए स्टाइल तो भी ऐसे नहीं हो सकता कि मुझे पूरा विजुअल मिलेगा. मैंने सर्वे किया एक ब्रीफ जानने के लिए. सर्वे में काफी हद तक ऐसे ही आएगा कि परसेंटेज बहुत नियर बाय ही रहेंगे. तो विच विल एक्चुअली टेल अस के हमें ब्लेंडेड अप्रोच करना है. अब ब्लेंडेड अप्रोच करने के लिए हमें चारों का मटेरियल चाहिए. तो व्हाट शी इज टेलिंग, रीड राइट का सही है. एक मैनुअल
जी
होना चाहिए,
जी
स्टेप बाय स्टेप
जी
गाइड
जी.
होना चाहिए.
Yes,
Policy
yes.
document sort of thing, that this is the
Yeah.
system, this is the policy document. Next, आगे.
Next is going to be auditory, where with the help of articulate or storyline, we'll design a e-module which will be self-explanatory, but this will be in the form of snippets. So maybe एक पेज एक टैब को लेकर के पूरा explanation या सब टैब को, and while designing this, I will take the help of the pain areas that they face during the customer interaction. So तो उस पे ज्यादा emphasis होगा and उसके basis पे वो snippets भी बनेंगे. For visual, we will do it and show. So in this, talking about CRM system, why it is there is okay, but उसको classroom में step by step slide से run करने से better है सीधा system open करिए, plug in करिए, and you just show them, do a one entry and show them how the entry goes ahead, कैसे जाना है, क्या करना है, and then kinesthetic में
एक
you give
मिनट
them
दीप्ति,
hands-on experience.
वीडियो में can we not include video tutorials?
That
Yes.
is e-modules with snippets of the challenge.
Yes,
That is
Jugal.
video tutorials.
Ideally, we need to, because what happens, Nadipti, you will not be in a position to cover all the scenarios with the help of live CRM. So the videos will definitely be required while you will
Yes.
be actually making them aware and learn about the different things. Because let's say banking CRM. Banking CRM में when you will be starting it, how will you be able to search any customer's account?
लॉगिन से ही उसको पता होना
Absolutely.
चाहिए.
क्रेडेंशियल
First
कैसे
step,
लॉगिन होगा या
मैम
क्रेडेंशियल आपका कैसे होगा, पासवर्ड से स्टार्ट करोगे आप एंड
फिंगर
देन
फिंगर
आप
फिंगर
हाँ,
फिंगरप्रिंट से भी लॉगिन होता है कि उसे ये पता होना
correct,
चाहिए मेरा. Yes, continue.
so I think that from there itself I think we really need to prepare the entire module जहां पर I think रवि का एक डाउट था when he was asking that kinesthetic approach will be the right approach over here. So kinesthetic approach will definitely be coming into picture, but it will be coming in the later stage. Initially, your learning
Yes.
will be started through the SOPs, through video tutorials, through your ILT sessions, where a person has to give them an understanding that what is a complete CRM और हम उसमें क्या लेकर आ रहे हैं. Because here we are not talking about any gap analysis. We are talking about a new skill enhancements. so that our customer relationship management can become more enricher or more robust in nature.
सही है. So
Correct, Google.
Correct.
ma'am, in
Because
this,
so when I
So,
said
समझ आया?
e-modules, when I actually mentioned e-modules were only about it, but I meant to say not the entire system in one video with snippets so that
हाँ,
everyone can understand which part they want to refer and they can refer that as a video. You know, they just pick
correct.
up that one, not seeing the entire.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So maybe I think one section of the CRM or maybe a one part of the CRM can be covered in one tutorial. Then maybe I think we can have certain dummy
Yes,
IDs or maybe dummy cases. So through which we can give them a simulation exercises that okay, if you are going to search, let's say login ka simulation kaise hoga, the credential and password, how can you can use. Maybe
You
वहाँ पे
know, you know, that is a practice session, yes, but before that in the classroom in ILT only, I would prefer them to come and take a hands-on experience in front of the facilitator.
हाँ,
So we
correct.
can have
That's what
few
I'm
dummy
saying.
data, for example, let's say our customer service is on the call. So maybe, you know, there could be a role play, a mock call coming from someone in the classroom. And the person also have to attend the mock call with entering the data in the system. And that covers the kinesthetic part.
Exactly.
And then
So
you can give them dummy ID and password for them to practice and take a hands-on experience.
true. So I think you just talked about Articulate, correct? Through which we can create
That
all
is
these.
through the for designing the e-module
This is a
or
tool.
something
Absolutely.
with
So
the
I think
role-based scenarios.
correct through Articulate or maybe through Epiplex, you can create all these kind of a thing. So if
Yes.
I'm giving, let's say, e-learning module to my people, so for first section, what I can do an ILT. Second thing, I can ask them to complete their e-module section. Once they will be going to the e-module, I can have the simulation embedded to it so that they can understand that, okay, these are the steps which they are supposed to perform. If they are able to complete it, I can have the assessment also attached to that particular thing. So a guided workflow along with an assessment. And then we
Yeah.
can give them the kinesthetic approach that, okay, now I'm giving you let's say a dummy or maybe an account ID. Now let's do a mock session or a role play and then understand this kind of a problem state. Now are we going to resolve this?
Bang on. So that is something that I was talking about. Only the first part, even before coming inside, if I could give some handbook or manual, and that manual will stay with them. So they come in through some platform, or maybe a e-module from a vendor where I get what is it all about. So they come to 0 level, and from there I can take up everyone at the same space.
Correct.
There's one more thing to add over here. What I felt, I mean, maybe you guys can correct me. So, what my understanding goes, if the hierarchy is customer service, then relationship manager, and then last branch manager. Branch manager's scope of understanding that CRM would be much higher than the customer service representative. So an advanced level of training for them needs to be done where they can actually check on the data of customer service representative and relationship manager as well to understand, okay, what is happening, what is not happening, if there is some escalations. But I'm not sure if there is a hierarchy of such
no,
type.
ma'am, actually,
Then
I
this
was
can be
going on
done.
the other way. What you said, Aditi
Uh-huh.
ma'am, and now I'm getting the point, and it is completely valid, and I can get the thought कि हाँ भाई ऐसा क्यों होना चाहिए, like you know, on a special or a debrief or a more elaborated training session for the the upper management or maybe the branch managers. So I was actually in the initial phases, I was going opposite it, like the branch managers should receive a bit less communication or a training, focused on this. The more kinesthetics should to be applied on customer service representatives. But now I can get the complete picture. Yes, this is actually what happens also in real life also. So
Yes.
now I can
Frankly,
try this.
just to highlight, in my previous organization, we actually took up the CRM, and the CRM that we actually take up from Salesforce. This entire training was designed in the way that I have mentioned. So yes, we actually did it for the customers, the call center representatives and their team leaders and all. And we had those 3 hierarchies, and the scope was different. So yes, that actually works, huh? It gives a very good integration of the system in their mindset, and the more they practice with those dummy IDs, the more they are going to really leverage and the calls. At while attending the calls, they will not be fluttering in the desktop. You are there to enter or what to do. They have a very hands-on experience, and it's easy flow for them, so they don't get worked up while attending the calls, which again leads to low satisfaction rate if they get worked up. So it really works well.
Right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am,
I
over to you.
wanted to add something. Can we schedule a group discussion with CRM experts of the industry?
Yes, ma'am, that would be useful.
What do others say? ऐसा भी कुछ कर
तो-
सकते हैं कि पता चले कि जिन लोगों ने इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया है
मैम
So
एज अ
group
फीडबैक स्टेज,
discussion,
एज अ
as
फीडबैक
in
स्टेज कह रहे हैं या फिर
नो
लर्निंग स्टेज पे
ट्रेनिंग
कह
में
रहे हैं?
वो भी इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं ना, अ सॉर्ट ऑफ ऑडिटरी लर्निंग, ग्रुप डिस्कशन या ऑडियो पे सुने कि उनका कहना क्या है.
बट मैम मेरा ना एक्सपीरियंस जो सेल्स फोर्स के साथ रहा है ना,
हम्म.
उन्होंने जो डिजाइन किया था, जब हमने उनके साथ कॉल किया था, दे
Correct.
टॉक एट अ वेरी हाई लेवल.
Okay.
My customer
So
service
at
representative
the
will not be able to take it. Maybe few months down the line, we can have the discussion where my team leader and other, people will be able to ask questions and take a quality input from what discussion comes out.
So that means if we procure this CRM system from a particular company, and if that company has provided the similar CRM system to another company, if we get to know which all companies are implementing the same thing, we cannot have a joint call.
Ma'am,
They
that will lead
normally
to
don't prefer that, but
lot of
we can
issues,
try.
ma'am. That will lead to a lot of issues, ma'am. Because in real life also, we recently moved from Orbit Systems to SFDC as an organization also. So previous employees were also facing some problems related to that SFDC. So what can happen, ma'am? They can highlight some drawbacks, in that discussion. The discussion will take a completely different turn.
No,
Nahin, it
but then,
happens,
so
ma'am.
they are not
Ma'am,
ready to help you.
Absolutely.
They whatever issues they faced, at least they can say, ना ये system लिया था हमने, इसमें ये issues है. At least better not again repeat the same things or get that bug resolved. Nothing like that.
मैम, आप कंपनी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचो. आपको कंपनी हो जो सीआरएम दे रहे, मैं, रवि, जुगल और जो
हाँ.
4 अलग अलग कंपनीज आपके क्लाइंट्स है, ठीक है.
ठीक है, मैंने
अब
चारों
आप
को दिया CRM, सेम
आपने
CRM,
चारों
सेम
को दिया,
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन.
सब कुछ दिया आपने, ठीक है. अब मैं आपकी नई क्लाइंट हूँ जो आपकी पाइपलाइन में है, और ये दोनों ऑलरेडी हैं जिनके पास इश्यूज हैं. एज अ वेंडर आप ही खुद डिस्क्लोज नहीं करोगे, बाकी तो भूल जाओ.
आपको पता चल गया कि रवि के पास भी वो है, तो आप तो मेरे पास आओगे ही नहीं, सीधा रवि के पास जाओगे. रवि, मैंने ये वाला सिस्टम लिया है
So that is on a
अंजलि
personal
से,
level.
भूल जाओ. अब तू मुझे बता कैसे करना है, मेरे को ये इसका ट्रेनिंग डालना है. तो वो पहले ही रोने लगेगा ना, अरे यार कहाँ ले लिया, ये सारे इश्यूज है, ऐसे होगा ना.
एग्जैक्टली. तो वही मैं
जी,
कह रही
जी.
हूँ, वो पर्सनल लेवल पे होगा अगर मैं रवि को पर्सनली जानती हूँ या जुगल को जानती हूँ. पर
हाँ.
कंपनी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं. आपने बोला था सीआरएम एक्सपर्ट्स, तो सीआरएम एक्सपर्ट्स जो होंगे वो कंपनी से होंगे. जो हमारा जो सेल्सफोर्स वालों ने बनाया था, वी गॉट इट कस्टमाइज एज पर आवर रिक्वायरमेंट. दो टैब्स एंड दोस डेटा, क्या डेटा चाहिए, क्या कलेक्ट करना है, उसके बेसिस पे. एंड वो वाला जो हमने उनसे लिया था, तो वो लोगों के टेक्निकल वाले जो हैं वो एक अलग लेवल पे बात करते थे, जो हम लोग मेन लोग बैठ के सुन रहे थे.
हाँ ठीक है, जो यूज करने वाला है उसको तो उसके लेवल का ही जानना है ना, कि दिस इज व्हाट एप्लीकेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दिस इज व्हाट आई डोंट वांट टू नो योर सिस्टम एंड आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू हाउ एंड how this is developed. So I am talking that if the CRM executive only will come and give us a maybe
So
trial something.
they also have a trainer where we can ask the trainer to come and do a session or a show. That is possible. But with the other clients, I'm not sure. Even my company will allow foremost, and then it works on the other side. But yeah, it's a good point. We can think of integrating, but I'm really not sure. Jugal, what do you say? Jugal.
See, normally it happens like whenever you are interacting with these kind of a technical companies, because I was working in telecom where IBM used to give us the CRM, Sibyl CRM. Right now, if I talk about my experience with Amazon or maybe with Flipkart, both of the organizations are competitors. So they do not share like what kind of a CRM they are using. And in fact, internally, they are trying to develop their own competencies in the CRM functions. But I think one point, Dipti, that you were mentioning, that whenever we are interacting with the channel or maybe a CRM creator, those people come with a very, very heavy knowledge and it is very, very technical in nature. And when you are trying to impart that sort of a knowledge to your end users who are going to use it as an interface, it becomes really difficult and challenging. So, wahan pe jaakar you have to make it very, very simple and consumable for your agents, especially for the CSR kind of a person. Hierarchy wise, जैसे अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, maybe I think for a branch manager, for a person like who will have more empowerment, authorization in the CRM, they will somehow will be able to correlate or will have definitely that sort of an understanding. But जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना मैम, but वो उतना होता नहीं है कि organizations will reach out to each other.
नहीं
वो सिर्फ और
करेंगे।
सिर्फ पर्सनल फ्रंट पे ही होता है, अदरवाइज नॉर्मली लेट्स से अगर IBM से आप बात करेंगे कि ओके यू हैव गिवन द Sibyl CRM टू लेट्स से वोडाफोन एंड टू आइडिया अर्लियर, जब वो दोनों अलग अलग हुआ करते थे, दे डिड नॉट यूज टू लाइक अलाउ और मे बी आस्क कि ठीक है आप चेक कर लो। वो पर्सनल फ्रंट पे अगर आपने देखा है, बट उसके बाद में भी अगर आप उनके पास जाके बात करेंगे, देन दे विल गिव यू अ काइंड ऑफ एन एक्सप्लेनेशन दैट नो, the CRM which we have given to them, it is quite different because their requirement was different. And now you are giving some different requirements. So maybe I think we are trying to create a customized version of it to you.
True
But
that.
ma'am,
Yes, Ankit.
what ma'am is suggesting is bringing in internal
Yeah.
experts.
Yeah,
in the
simple,
training
like the people who are on the same pages to get the knowledge where we are lacking as a training tool, not as a tool in specifically, but as a training delivery style. Like we can incorporate this kind of style if the people are on the same page. तो मेरे ख्याल से जो अभी जुगल भाई और दीप्ति मैम was saying, and I was also sharing कि हाँ ये सही है, रियल लाइफ में थोड़ा सा कंपटीशन वाला इशू है, बट मैम के अंडरस्टैंडिंग से मैम मेरे ख्याल से आप जो कहना चाह रहे हो वो ये है कि सिमिलर माइंडेड पीपल को जो सेम पेज पे उनसे अगर हम लोग पूछ सकते हैं तो वी कैन गेट कि हाँ व्हाट वुड बी द इफेक्टिव मेथड बाय व्हिच दे हैव लर्न प्रीवियसली एंड वी कैन इम्प्लीमेंट दोस। मेरे ख्याल से आई थिंक यही बोलना चाह रहे हैं
रवि, अगर ऐसे होगा ना कि अभी मुझे नहीं पता जुगल कहाँ पे, अमेजोन में शायद, और अगर तुम अभी फ्लिपकार्ट में होते ना तो वो अभी जवाब भी नहीं देता तुमको। Forget about- वही बात है, वही वो समझाना चाह रहा है हमें
हाँ
कि
हाँ मैम समझ गया मैम समझ गया, आई गॉट इट।
तो कितना भी बोल लो कि एक्सपर्ट लाना है करना है, तो वो तो सोचेगा अच्छा ये बंदा L&T नहीं फ्लिपकार्ट में बोल हमें रहा है कि L&T है, तो ठीक है। वो कुछ बोलेगा ही नहीं, वो सिर्फ वन वे सुनेगा कि क्या क्या बात हो रही है। वही वही बात ये दोनों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, जुगल और दीप्ति के। प्रैक्टिकली जब
नहीं मैम,
कंपनीज की बात आएगी
आई
ना, तब
गॉट द
कोई किसी
पॉइंट।
को कुछ बोलेगा नहीं।
नहीं मैम सही है मैम, आई एक्चुअली मैम आई बिलीव आई हैव सीन दिस, ये सही बात है मैम। मैम आई वाज ट्राइंग टू लाइक पुट माय पर्सपेक्टिव इनटू व्हाट यू सेड, like from where you were trying
True,
to
I agree. See,
Ravi,
again, I'm telling you, if I am giving you points from my point of view. It is for the class to come in into the discussion with their point. नहीं मैम आप गलत हो, ये ऐसे कैसे होगा, कौन मुझे जवाब देगा, ऐसे कोई नहीं होगा। यहाँ पे मेरी दोस्ती हुई, फिर भी जब मुझे पता चलेगा ये बंदा मेरा कॉम्पिटिटर है, वहीं दोस्ती फुल स्टॉप हो जाएगी। अंकिता, yes?
I think the discussion is almost concluding, but what I wanted to share here was in a personal experience leading to CRM implementation and training. I think this is an additional work for the L&D team and the L&D representatives, is to get deep down with the people from the technical team of the CRM support that they have, to understand nuances and then build their training material accordingly. So I did this. I was implementing a CRM. I used to have lengthy calls with the technical person, with the key accounts manager from the CRM team, and ask them questions, thinking of what kind of questions or problems will the people face on ground. So put myself into the customer representative shoes or the sales people shoes, because we were again dealing with the sales CRM. So thinking what kind of questions they can ask, and then going back to the training module and preparing it accordingly to be able to answer. So mostly it was kinesthetic, which was videos and demonstrations, and then also supported with manuals to say how do you navigate this.
So that is a blended approach, no?
Yes.
Yes.
And then to the point of people should not sharing, because configurations differ across organizations. So same Salesforce will offer 30 different solutions to 30 different organizations. The basic remains,
Correct.
but a lot of it changes. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So let's summarize this now. Who will
Yes,
be
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
summarizing it?
Joe will summarize. Joe,
Joe,
come into
Joe.
picture now.
Ma'am, we have only gone through the design part. We have left the implementation part as well.
Design, assessment हो गया, by survey design हो गया, by all the styles का material activities incorporate करोगे. Delivery part, it is everybody agrees to the blended learning approach.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Blended in a customized way. Why?
Correct.
Because step 1 survey पे क्या हुआ, different percentage मिला ना, तो blended in a customized way, if possible.
Okay.
Correct. And then next step,
Next is
implementation. कैसे करेंगे? पायलट करेंगे इसका भी?
हाँ करना
पहले तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
करना ही पड़ेगा. क्यों?
I will
क्योंकि
implement PDCA cycle.
हम्म
I will go for PDCA cycle in every batch that we are doing, because there will be a check and act after each and every batch if you want to bring in any kind of a change or anything. So pilot तो फिर भी लगेगा.
review and revise जैसा.
Yes. Plan, do, check, act.
ज्योति समझ आ गया? इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में तो हम पहले तो विदाउट पायलट दिस वोंट वर्क. 150 एम्प्लॉयज का ट्रेनिंग है. इट इज अ बिग ट्रेनिंग इवेंट. करेक्ट. So on the pilot once the pilot program is divided in the pilot program, if you want, you can divide it into groups.
Okay.
If you want, else let the pilot program be rolled out in the way you want the entire training to happen, and then take a feedback on it. That will come under the implementation. And what will be the last stage?
I have a question here.
Yes, Diti.
What should be the ideal best size for this kind of an intervention?
Pilot testing.
Pilot testing
हाँ?
के लिए
Not pilot testing,
Pilot
anything,
तो
any
सबका ही होगा.
batch size. Batch size क्या होगा?
मैम 10 से 15 मेरे ख्याल से मैक्सिमम.
बहुत कम नहीं
Only
हो जाएगा.
15 is good enough, because hands-on experience जो देने की बात
Right,
कर रहे हैं,
right.
See,
Right.
उसमें
1:15 का
तो नहीं
ratio is also a big number, because this is a new system. Ideally, if you ask me, it should be not more than 10. Because if it is only
Okay.
one trainer, do you think one trainer can attend to more than 10 of you, explaining them the whole system, if you want a effective training to happen?
Ma'am, in real life, what I have seen, ma'am, abhi just in quite recent past, we also undergone the same CR regime. So what happened was the company who were entitled to deliver this training. So they scheduled a particular expertise basically, and they were visiting the outlets of the branch or the branches of that particular organization one at a time, engaging the CR of that particular pilot batch maybe. For like 3 or 4 days continuous in the entire system. So that was the actual what I have seen.
What was
मैं
the
आप
batch
इसका
size there?
ज्यादा नहीं मैम, जो 2-3 CRs थे and एक ब्रांच मैनेजर को लेकर के, like this was the
Okay.
scenario.
Yes, Ankita.
क्योंकि
हाँ, बोलो रवि, finish it.
मैम क्योंकि क्या था कि मैम कि बिजनेस को भी वी कैन नॉट पुट असाइड फॉर लाइक मल्टीपल डेज, है ना, बिकॉज वी आर रनिंग अ बैंक और इवन एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो सीआरस को भी एंगेज अगर हम लोग रखेंगे, वो 2 पर्सन विल बी ऑपरेटिंग इट, तो वो भी करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो इसको मेरे ख्याल से मैम लाइक ब्रांच टू ब्रांच विजिट करके ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट विद इन 1 or 2 days मैक्स टू मैक्स, with one particular pilot batch branch to keep the size बहुत कम. ये individual approach पे है. और अगर batches like ILT हिसाब से अगर करना है या फिर to bring the group in a common place, तब तो मेरे ख्याल से मैम समय कम लेके like it can be a half day session for like 5 days or 6 days. So that should not also hamper the business. So
ठीक
ये
है।
अप्रोच मेरे ख्याल से हो सकता है मैम. बाकी आप
करेक्ट। और दूसरा चीज, एक चीज और इसमें ऐड करूंगी, दैट सी द ट्रेनिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव हियर क्लियरली सेज दैट इट इज they are going to implement the new system, so you need to invest more time when there is an implementation of a new system. अगर existing system में ही कोई addition होगा तो the training tenor time batch differ करेगा. करेक्ट?
करेक्ट.
Yes,
Absolutely.
Ankita, you have raised your hand.
No, ma'am, that is from the previous time. Sorry.
Okay. ठीक है. So we have summarized it. Lastly, we will be doing an evaluation and feedback.
Correct.
Yes.
KP1, KP2.
Pre-training, post-training दोनों. Agreed.
Yes.
So this was an excellent discussion. Did you all find it interesting?
Yes.
Yes.
So looking forward to many more discussions like this. We stop here. We continue the topic from the next session next Sunday. ठीक है?
Sure ma'am.
Happy weekend.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.